Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is web applications step by step guide. Now we will do part 2. In this course, we will discuss how data travels over net. We will understand the meaning of protocols. We will understand the difference between HTTP and HTTPS. What is the meaning of Internet Protocol? What is the difference between FTP and Secure File Transfer Protocol? What is the difference between POP3 and IMAP? We will also learn the meaning of Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Then what is TCP IP model? What is the meaning of Telnet and SSH? Then we will also understand what are those points which we should keep in mind while subscribing to an internet connection plan. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.